Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro dollar in front of us, and we can see that Euro dollar is doing around 1.072526 area. So this is the current market price, and we do not have much volatility in the market right now. During the US session, we have retail sales coming up. Retail sales is not a major event like NFP or CPI, but still you need to be careful because if market shows extreme volatility, you need to forget about levels, okay, and respect the trend of the market. And after all, it's a bitter fact when market is being dominated by news or fundamentals, technicals do not work. And as a retail trader, we need to understand it. So let's look at the chart of dollar index first. So dollar index, yes, as discussed in a previous video, okay, it showed correction and bounced from 105.27. Okay, we were expecting 105.20. Okay, but still we can see the market is trying to go up again. So if market continues the correction, the next support will be around 105 level. We have FIBO. Okay, we have FIBO as well as we have the 50 moving average. So we can expect that if market comes to this level, okay, market will receive some support and market will be bouncing from here. Okay, 105 is the level in front of us, and to continue the upside, DXY need to cross 106 level. But at this moment, okay, chances of market crossing 106 seems to be very less. Maybe by the uh, maybe by Thursday or Friday, okay, if a news comes out, then we may see. But at this moment, on Tuesday at least, okay, I do not think market will be breaking 106 level. So we can expect that Euro USD, GBP USD, in rest of the pairs will remain sideways, because if DXY doesn't take a particular direction, okay, and DXY remains like this, then obviously we will see a choppy market on Euro USD and GBP USD as well. So plan your trades accordingly. And my dear friends, from this coming Friday, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is about to start, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. I'll be discussing about the details by the end of the video. Okay, if you're struggling with the market, unable to make money in the market, okay, the journey has been very tough, then yes, you can consider joining the 3 days workshop. Okay, you'll find the details by the end of the video. Now Euro USD. Yesterday we discussed about a sell opportunity around 1.0738250, and we can see market, okay, market reversed from our level precisely. I was not expecting this precision, but yes, it did. So the levels that we have in front of us are not very strong right now, okay, because the strong levels means we need strong price rejection, but the strong levels are far away from the current market price, so we are looking for immediate levels and we need to trade from level to level only. So before the US session, if you see market going up, we have the next selling opportunity around 1.0760 and then 1.0782. These are the two levels where we can look for a sell position, okay, before the US session. Because after the US session, if market gets very crazy, very volatile, then these levels will not work, because we have derived these levels from Fibonacci. We have FIBO 50% retracement level around 1.0760, and we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level around 1.0682, and also the 200 moving average. So we are expecting these levels to work as resistance. After retail sales, if market goes up and if the if the volatility is not very high, then you can expect the market to show price rejection from above. If you see good amount of price rejection from above, just follow proper risk management and hit the sell button. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can look for a sell if market goes up. Okay, on the other hand, okay, if market goes down, then we have 1.0713 to 1.0703. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy position. How much you can expect? Do not expect much, because we need to be realistic. If you expect 50-60 pips on this chart, then obviously your TP will not get hit. We need to be realistic. Okay, so here you can expect a max to max 10 to 12 pips, not more than that, because right now we can see the market is totally flat here. So we are expecting a bounce of 10 to 15, 12 pips around 1.0713, 1.0703, because of, here you can see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, as well as the 50 moving average around the same area. So definitely we can expect a quick bounce. Secondly, okay, we have the support around 1.0703 because of FIBO 50 plus the previous resistance will be working as support here. So right now, if you have any ongoing position, you can be on the trade. But if you're looking for fresh position in the market, we are looking for sell. Okay, if market goes up and reverse, and if market comes down, we are looking for a buy. Okay, we are looking for a quick bounce. And right now there is not much volatility in the market, and we have looked at the chart of DXY. So it seems that there's a high chance that market will remain choppy or sideways. So we have planned our trades accordingly. Buy at support, sell at resistance. Okay, and if market shows heavy selling pressure by the US session, then obviously we can expect this previous low to act as support. If market bounces, we can look for a buy. But as I said, we need to be realistic. Simply talking about far off levels, okay, will not help us, isn't it? So this is the chart of GBP USD, the cable British pound US dollar in front of us. And yesterday we discussed two selling opportunities on the chart of GBP USD if it goes up. And the first level worked very nicely. So the second level is still valid for us, means 1.2735 to 1.2750. This is the level where we can look for a sell before US session. After US session, if you see that there is not much volatility, then after US session also you can expect a sell. Okay, but yes, confirmation is important. If you see the market is standing at 1.2750 with a big green candle, use your common sense. Okay, it's your hard-earned money, you need to protect it. But if you see that market is going up, but market is showing price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. No need to wait for the candle to close. There is no such thing as 100% confirmation in the market. Okay, so just wait for 40-50 seconds, 1 minute, to observe the market behavior. If you see market is struggling, market is showing price rejection from above, follow proper risk management and hit the sell button. That's it. Okay, you can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level, we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Previous support will be working as resistance. Then we have the 100 moving average, 200 moving. We have lots of things going on here around 1.273550. So definitely we can expect a sell around this area. Okay, and before US session, okay, if market drops, then we can look for a buy around 1.2680. Okay, do not expect much. 15 pips in this market condition is huge. 15 pips may not seem much, but we need to be realistic here also. Okay, we do not have much volatility going on, do not have much volume. So before US session, if you can score 15 pips on GBP USD, okay, it's good enough. So we have a quick bounce. We can expect a quick bounce around 1.2680. If it does that, we can definitely hit the buy button as well. But yes, be careful at the time of news. Retail sales may not be a major event like CPI, FOMC, but after all, this is market, and market is full of surprises. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD GBP right now, my dear friends. Now, the Pro Trader program, or the 3 days workshop. Okay, my dear friends, there's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support that I conduct after every 3-4 months. So it's usually, okay, 3 times or max to max 4 times a year. Okay, this workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. Okay, so you can see that these are the benefits. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. The link will be in the description. Okay, and these are the topics that we will be dealing in the 3 days. Okay, day 1, day 2, day 3. And as we all know that after class, okay, we all get confused. So therefore I have also provided the service of 1 month support after workshop. During the 1 month support, we will be having weekly sessions. These are the topics that we will discuss during the weekly sessions. And if you're wondering what are the benefits that you will be getting as support, you will be getting regular market updates, analysis. We also conduct live sessions. Um, on the WhatsApp group. Okay, we have a WhatsApp group, separate WhatsApp group. Okay, where you'll find everything. Okay, for example, after some time, okay, I'll be uploading everything on the WhatsApp group. And the dates are, you can see, Hindi classes are starting from this Friday, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and English classes 28th, 29th, and 30th of June. Okay, if you're interested with only English classes, you can join now also. Don't think that, okay, there will be a deduction from the support. No, nothing like that. You are most welcome to join now. These are the timings. And the best part is the fees. Okay, you can see only workshop. It means 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15 or rupees 1,000. Means in 1,000 rupees, 3 days workshop, 4 weekly sessions, and regular market analysis updates for 1 month. And if you love my work, okay, then you can also sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support, because trading is a journey. Trading takes time. We know it very well. In 1 month, okay, many people are unable to understand everything. And if you're looking for personal sessions also, then semi-annual or lifetime membership can be very useful for you. Everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, um, you'll find all the information here. In semi-annual, okay, you'll get 2 personal sessions. In lifetime, you'll get 6 personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, ask questions, and also to gossip. And these are the payment methods here. Okay, almost all the popular methods are mentioned here. So once you're done with the payments, simply share a screenshot on this WhatsApp number. Okay, I will add you to the group. So if you're interested, my dear friends, you are most welcome to participate. And if you already have faced a huge loss, then please go through my story. Okay, just go to the About Me section on the website and just go through the story here. Okay, this is my story. So, okay, at least you'll understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.